Namaste. Good morning, everyone. Are you guys ready for the next challenge? So today we're going to work on the strengthening the core. As you know, if your core is strong, you're not going to get back pain. So let's start with coming to your hands and knees. Your hands and knees are hip distance apart. Your hands are in line with your shoulders. Your knees are in line with your hips. So if you are starting this, then you have to first bring your forearms on the floor. Your elbows are in line with your shoulders. Fingers are wide open. The first step can be you're gonna just straighten the one leg and try to hold it. Once you have more strength, you can try to maybe tuck the right toe and put some more weight, or straighten the leg fully and try to hold the plank. Hold it here for some time. Feel the shake. Once you have more strength, maybe lift the one leg up and hold. And the other side, not too high, don't lift the leg too high. Hold it here, breathe. Maybe the one leg or the two. And maybe come up. Do a couple of push-ups. And maybe try to come to your forearms. And when you're ready, slowly come back. So that's all for today. Namaste.